Need a curry in a hurry? Don't worry. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. Today I'm going to do a recipe that comes together in no time. It has delicious flavors. You are going to love it. We're doing a Thai red curry shrimp dish. Now before I start the recipe, I need to pull together a bunch of the ingredients that we'll be using. I'm taking some ginger. I'm going to finely chop it. Same with some garlic. I have half of a big old sweet white onion. I'm going to slice that up. I like to make this dish with some really flavorful vegetables. I have half of a red pepper, half of a yellow pepper. I'm going to slice those peppers into thin strips. I have 2 ears of fresh corn. I'm going to take the kernels off the cob. Then I have some snap peas. I'm going to chop up the snap peas. The star of this show is shrimp. I've deveined the shrimp. I'm peeling away the shell. I like to leave a little tail on. You can eat the shrimp a little bit easier this way. Place your shrimp to the side. Now before we cook this, I want to get the garnishes ready as well. 2 scallions, chop up the scallion. Fresh cilantro, pick the leaves off of the stem. Very spicy bird's eye peppers. I'm just going to slice them down the middle. They're not going to go into the pot. They're just going to be used as a garnish. They're very hot, so you've got to be careful when you work with them. Then I'm taking a lime. I'm cutting the lime in half. I'll use half for the recipe, and the other half I'm going to chop up to be able to squeeze onto the finished bowls of this wonderful curry. Now we're heading to stovetop. Stock pot on the large burner, temperature to medium high. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the coconut oil melts, we hit the pan with the garlic, the ginger, add in that onion, stir the vegetables together, place the lid on your pot, and let those vegetables soften for about 5 minutes. Now when the lid comes off, we need to add the key ingredient, a Thai red curry paste. I'll put a link in the story at Weekend at the Cottage for my favorite. Feel free to experiment with your own curry flavors. We're adding that curry into the pot, and I'm going to give it a stir. The curry is going to throw a little bit of heat, so I want to soften it with coconut milk. 2 cans of coconut milk go into your pot, stir everything together. Once that curry coconut veggie mix comes to temperature, we're gonna add our shrimp. Now add in the red and yellow peppers. Here comes those corn kernels with the chopped snap peas. Stir everything together, cover, and we're gonna let this simmer for 5 minutes. Question, do you like noodles? I do. If you do, follow this next step. We're taking half a package of thin rice noodles into a bowl. Cover the noodles with boiling water. We're gonna let them soak for 5 minutes. Once the noodles have softened and the curry has simmered for 5 minutes, we're ready to serve. Last thing before we head to table, I'm taking that half lime, give it a squeeze. If you're doing the plain version, you're gonna ladle it into bowls, do the garnishes, ready to go. If you're doing the noodle version, we're gonna drain those noodles and then add a little bit into the bottom of an oversized bowl. We're gonna ladle on our Thai red curry shrimp on top. Try to get a little bit of vegetables and shrimp into every bowl. Don't forget those garnishes, right? A little sprinkle of scallion, add some cilantro, put that spicy bird's eye pepper right on top. How fabulous is this? We're serving with chopsticks and also a spoon to enjoy. When you go to enjoy, I gotta tell you, it is absolutely fantastic. Oh wait, before I try it, how about a reminder? Head to weekendатthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Do the same thing when you visit our YouTube channel, subscribe to it. Finally, find us on your favorite social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. At the beginning of the episode, I said no need to hurry. There is a reason to hurry. Hurry up and make it. It sure is delicious. Oh wait. Hey shrimpy. Very tasty. Enjoy. Beauty.